dark skin, light skin, medium tongue, sperm ting brave, got mini afros, big lips, got hips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't, never wanna pass in a video, bro, wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, wanna fight pretty like my. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from LuvMe Hair. Today's unit goes by the name of Gorgeous 4x4 Lace Glueless Body Wave Wig with Curtain Bangs. Cute fringe wig. And I got her in 22 inches. If you want to find out my thoughts and opinions on this unit, continue to watch. But before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed and also make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Tan Dotson. Let's get into this install. So I've eyeballed this unit from LuvMe Hair for quite a while. So when they gave me the opportunity to review her, I jumped at it. And I'm going to let you know right here, right now, she did not disappoint. So let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. The cap construction has 4 combs in total, one of them being in the back, the other 3 being at the very front, with one of them being in the very center. It also has adjustable straps, a security band, and it comes with a 4x4 closure. The knots on this unit, however, did not come pre-bleached, which was kind of odd to me because I feel like most of the time LuvMe Hair's units do come pre-bleached. Now what was done on this unit is that it did come styled already. Now even though I went in and I added curls and whatnot to the unit, it
had already originally came like this as soon as I pulled it out of the package. But me being me, I went ahead and shampooed, conditioned, and let the unit air dry. So therefore the unit ended up how it started out at the beginning of the install. According to the website, this unit is said to be 100% virgin hair from one donor, can last up to 1 or more years. It is 150% density. The color is a natural black. It can be dyed because again it does say that it's 100% virgin hair, and the cap sizing of it is a 22.5, which is their standard medium. The texture of this unit is body wave, so she's gonna hold a curl very well. This is my first time ever using the prong clips to hold my curls after curling my hair, and I feel like that's helping a little bit, just a smidge, with the curls staying intact. But just expect to see those in the future with me curling more units. The length of the unit that I'm wearing is 22 inches, and I do think that she's an honest 22-inch length unit. You can get this unit in as short as of a 12-inch. I don't know why I put so many words in between that. But you can get it as short as 12 inches or as long as 24 inches. Again, the density of this unit is 150%, and I do think that it's a true 150% density unit. I do wish that they would have maybe done a 180 on her. She's not super thin, but I don't know, I just want her a little bit fuller. Now, I stated earlier that this is a 4x4 closure unit, but if I'm thinking correctly, they also do offer this as a 13x4, but I personally chose the 4x4 because I knew I didn't want to do too much with a whole lot of lace for this unit. I also knew that I was pretty much going to be wearing her down, and if I did choose to wear her up, I'd wear her up somewhat like this. I have 2 bobby pins up here just to give it a little bit of height and a little bit out of my face. But then also if I wanted to do a ponytail, I knew that I would like pull some of the hairs down on the sides just to give it a little messy look. Now, speaking of pulling the unit up a little bit, you can see my edges on both sides, but it's not anything that's terribly bad, and to me I feel like it's kind of blending in a little bit. I mean, if you were to notice anything, that would mean that you are too close to me, and you shouldn't be that close to me in the first place. Now, you know, we always got to talk about whether a unit is big head friendly or not, and I would say that this unit is big head friendly, especially seeing as how this is a 22.5 inch circumference unit. It's fitting my head pretty comfortably. Now, granted, I don't have my twist in how I usually do, and my hair is also not braided straight back. In fact, it's actually straightened right now, and it's in a ponytail, and I split the ponytail and like tucked it onto each side. So yeah, she's still fitting pretty comfortably, but I will say that I feel like I might need to use the combs that are right here. I don't ever use the combs in any of my units except for the back comb to like secure the unit, I guess. But I don't know, I'm also not a big fan of the combs because I don't want it to rip out my hair, and I don't think they will, or I do think they will, but I don't think it will be as bad as I'm thinking it will. I hope I'm making sense. Now, I know to some people this is just a regular degular schmegler basic unit with the bang, but to me, I don't know what it is about the curtain fringe situation that LuvMe Hair has going on with this bang, but I really liked it. Like, the moment I saw it, I was like, I need that wig. I'm gonna get that wig. I don't know when, but I'm going to get her. They did a great job with cutting this bang because I did not take any scissors to her whatsoever. I feel like she's the perfect density too. She's not too thin, but she's also not too thick. Typically, when a bang is this long on a unit, I'll go in with my scissors and trim it up a little bit, but I don't want to do that with this one at all. And it's because I know that at some point I'm gonna want to split it down the middle and like wear it off to the sides, like out of my face. But I don't know, like even in my face I feel like it's giving. Lately, I keep saying how this unit or that unit is my favorite unit from LuvMe Hair, but this unit is definitely going in my top 5, and I think that you need her as well. If you choose to pick her up, don't forget to use my coupon code. I'll have it here across the screen. But let me know how you feel or what you think about this unit down in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at @tan_Dotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.